drone takes flight, a masterpiece of innovation. The FlyFish Volador VX5. 5 inches of pure precision, ready to soar, conquering the heavens forevermore. FlyFish Volador VX5, a drone that defies gravity's might, with nimble movements and aerial grace. It dances through the air, leaving no trace. And yeah, FPV freestyle, a symphony of flight, piloting through obstacles with sheer delight. Acrobatic maneuvers, a breathtaking show, as the VX through the air, leaving no trace. FPV freestyle, a symphony of flight, piloting through obstacles with sheer delight. Acrobatic maneuvers, a breathtaking show, as the VX5 gracefully twirls and glows. FlyFish Volador VX5, a drone that defies gravity's might, with nimble movements and aerial grace. It dances through the air, leaving no trace. Powered by a brushless motor, strong and free, the VX5 ascends with effortless glee. Its durable construction, built to withstand, ensures countless hours of flying hand in hand. FlyFish Volador VX5, a drone that defies gravity's might, with nimble movements and aerial grace. It dances through the air, leaving no trace. In the tapestry of the sky, a vibrant hue, the VX5 paints pictures both bold and new. A drone that inspires, a dream come true. FlyFish Volador VX5, forever in view. Ooh, oh, oh. Forever in view. In the realm of the skies, a drone takes flight, a masterpiece of innovation.